I'm Mary Hardin Thornton.
And I'm Susan Cooley, and we want you to be green.
Okay, all of you folks out there that put up live Christmas trees, there's a great opportunity for you to recycle those trees in January.
And have them be put to a good use, right?
That's right. The program's called Bring One for the Chipper, and it will be on Saturday, January 5th at the Home Depot parking lot on Hicks Drive. Susan, you volunteered last year. It was fun.
I did. I had so much fun that I'm going to do it again this year. And you know what? When you bring your tree in, you get a seedling.
That's right.
Right? As you're to plant a whole new tree, a new opportunity for something else to grow.
That's right. And so these trees, they'll be mulched. They can, fishermen, all you folks out there that have lake properties, and if anybody that's got any water left, certainly you can come out, you can get these trees. They'll be distributed at noon at Home Depot. Last year we gave out 140 trees. So come on out, take your lights off of them before you bring them.
Yeah, please. We had a few that still had ornaments on there, so we were grabbing those off of the trees. But anyway, try to take all the stuff off your tree before you bring it down.
That's right.
But we'll help you get it out of the truck or the car.
And we'll give you a seedling. And on Saturday, January 5th, 2008, we want you to
Be green and bring one for the chipper.